Good morning. My name is Mrs. Hainsworth, and I will be reading Brown Bear, Brown Bear, book by Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Charles. I will be reading ages 4-year-olds. Brown Bear, Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see a bear, brown bear, looking at me. That's what we see. The end. All right, you guys. Kids, what are some of the vocabulary words that y'all see when we were reading this book?
Brown, bear, a blue horse, a yellow duck,
All right.
a red bird.
Okay. Yes. All righty. Now we're going to go into our questions. One of the questions I would like to ask are, what was special about brown bears that made him different from other bears in the woods?
Because he was brown and furry. He was like a dark brown and furry.
Okay. Next question. What are some of the other animals in the story?
A red bird, a yellow duck, a frog, a cat, a horse.
And where does the story take place?
In the woods.
Okay. Correct. How would bears have become friends with other animals?
They were nice with the other animals because he was friendly by telling us about other animals that he saw, like the red bird looking at him and the blue horse looking at him. There's a lot of animals in the story.
What would happen if bear don't know how to play with other friends?
That wouldn't be fun. Not having friends, it will make others feel very lonely.
Correct, yes. Why is it important to be kind and play with other peers?
Because you want people to be kind to you. I want my friends to be kind to me as well.
Do you remember the golden rule that they used to say in school? It was treat others.
Sharing is caring, and treat others the way you want to be treated.
Correct. Okay. How would you feel if no one wanted to play with you?
I would be so sad. That would make me feel very terrible.
Okay. All right. Now we will be having activity time. You guys will also make some bears. Does that sound fun?
Yay, 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 yay.
Right, and the materials that we will be using are paper plates. We will also use glue, the googly eyes, buttons, cotton, and we will use regular paper. And I'm going to show you a demonstration of how your bear is supposed to look when you're finished. This is the bear, and this is the brown bear, even though it's not colored. But we did a nice completely bear with a little cotton, the little googly eyes, and the mouth. All right, this will be the conclusion of our class.